Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Richa, wishing you all a very happy Father's Day. Hope you all are safe, sound, secure in these crazy new normal times. At some places, some of the relaxations are there. At some places, it's still a bit strict. So please stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of yourself and your family. On that note, let me come to the topic for today's session. So today I'm going to discuss about something called as respect. One word, a very powerful word, and has different connotations. Respect covers self-respect, how I see myself in my very own eyes and how I want others to see me. Respecting our parents, guardians, teachers, who are the building blocks or the cornerstone of the foundation because of whom where we are today. Next is respect for the country, for the motherland, for different customs, religions, cultures and belief. On that note, I'll start with self-respect. Valuing myself, taking care, it starts with me to be there, deserving love and respect, to give it back, instilling self-confidence so that I do not lack. Taking care of family, my loved ones, my career and supporting everyone. I need help, I need support, respecting myself all the more. Ask for help. I know in this lockdown situations are a bit difficult. What has happened is we are working from home, we are working for home. For some of us working professional, it's like a kind of a juggling between household work, looking after the child, looking after the family, cooking, cleaning, everything. Although we are dividing the task between the family members, still the workload has far more increased. Ask for help, ask for support, take it slowly, look after yourself, because a healthy mind resides in healthy body. Since it's International Yoga Day also today, so please keep your mind and body under control, under check. Now let's come to the values and respect for our parents and teachers. People who built us deserve respect. Our family, parents and caregivers who got us in this world, cared for us, nurtured us, filled in us values to be strong, to serve the mankind, to identify right or wrong. This is very important. There's a very thin line, right, when you step and go to the other side. So it's very important to understand that meaning, and I think parents and teachers have been the cornerstone or the foundation in our lives to teach us that kind of difference. Then comes our teachers, building blocks of our foundation, instilled in us the courage and confidence, power to face the world, take on challenges. Our parents and teachers believe that we can take on the world, we can brave any challenge, we can brave any kind of storm. Believed in us and will always, come what may, stand by us. They have always supported, they have always understood and will always. I have been very blessed because my teachers, my school friends, teachers, my university colleagues, friends, teachers have still been a part of my life. They have always encouraged me when I have done something good, also when I have failed. Of yes, and we have to accept this, that we cannot win every time, we fail as well, and in that moment the teachers, the parents, they hold our hand and pull us out of that situation. It is completely okay and normal to fail and come up from that. Then comes the respect for country, mankind, motherland, various cultures and beliefs. Respecting my country, respecting my motherland, respecting all cultures, religions and nations, their customs, beliefs and forms. Always room to learn and grow. No one is big, no one is small. God has built us all equal. Then why do we create these differences? We all are creations assigned for all. Let us have some patience, respect and love for each other. Let us nurture the tolerance and pass it on to future generation. The generation of today, the upcoming world of tomorrow, they behave what they see in us. So let us go ahead and inculcate the value of self-respect, value of respecting others, teachers, parents, various cultures, religions in them. Right? On that note, this is Richa signing off. I will always put this video on YouTube. Please go ahead, subscribe and like my channel. Looking forward to your good wishes and blessings. Thank you so much. I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.